Virus. 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 Virus is dangerous. If we allow the virus to grow, it will create havoc in the society. We should find all ways and means to destroy this virus. Come and extend your helping hand with St. Joseph School Cultural Committee to destroy virus.
What happened? Why are you worried? What is your problem? Don't be afraid. Tell me, why are you worried?
You who?
Don't worry about me. Express yourself.
You क्या जाने मेरी प्रॉब्लम? You देखो, today is Children's Day.
Children's Day. Children's Day. I love Children's Day. Children are the loveliest people on earth. I love you, children. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Oh, you are student. Happy Children's Day to you too.
Thank you. Jadoo. You Jadoo. You English bowling so well. You staying where?
I am not of this world. I live in moon. I came from moon.
You stay moon. Moon यानी चंद्रमा? चंद्रमा में रहते हो?
Yes, I am an alien. I live in moon.
You इधर? क्यों coming? जादू, please take me your place. इधर no happy. Problem. I full problem.
Problem? You are in problem? Now tell me, what is your problem? You look very worried.
Worry. The world is full of worries. Worries to live, worries to death, worries to defeat, worries to win. Worries.
Oh, Baba Vanga.
Baba Vanga.
Baba Vanga? What a surprise! याद आया, कहीं पढ़ा था कि फ्रांस देश के पहाड़ों में एक बाबा जो भविष्य बताते हैं. आप you're coming? बल्गेरिया? फ्रांस? क्या आप वही बाबा वांगा हैं?
Yes, I am Baba Vanga. You have rightly recognized me. You remember? I foretold the destruction of Twin Towers, the World Trade Center in America, my prediction on floods and destruction in Australia. Do you remember my prediction on COVID pandemic and slowdown on world economy? And I also foretold the Russia-Ukraine war. all my predictions have come true.
बाबा, मेरा क्या होगा बाबा? बाबा वांगा, मेरा क्या होगा? मेरा भी भविष्य बताइए, मेरा भी भविष्य बताइए ना बाबा। बाबा,
Complete destruction. There is going to be third world war soon, and there will be complete destruction.
बाबा, मेरा क्या भविष्य होगा बाबा? मेरा भविष्य बताइए, मेरा भविष्य, मेरा। बाबा बताइए ना।
Virus, 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 virus.
Virus. You are virus in the school.
वायरस? मैं वायरस हूं?
Yes, students like you are a virus in English medium school.
Yes, I can foretell your future.
Why do you need any babas to foretell what you will be in the future? Look at me.
Sir, you two in one. Security and सफाई कर्मचारी. But you speaking बहुत अच्छा English. Good English.
Yes, I am. But you don't know what made me this way.
इंग्लिश ले लो इंग्लिश, 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 इंग्लिश ले लो इंग्लिश। I can make you talk English. I can make you walk English. I can make you sleep English. Drink English. English ले लो English.
English ले लो? I knowing सब्जी ले लो, सब्जी ले लो। लेकिन ये इंग्लिश ले लो, वो भी इंग्लिश ठेले पे ले लो। गजब।
Yes, it's गजब। I too was like you in English medium school, but हमने ना अपनी अंग्रेजी सुधारने की परवाह नहीं की। So now I sell English in ठेला।
Very good idea.
वेरी गुड आइडिया। बट लेकिन कैसे? ठेले पे इंग्लिश, यहां 2 in 1, यहां एक अंधी जिसने दुनिया ही नहीं देखी, वो भविष्य बता सकती है। और यहां चंद्रमा से एक एलियन पृथ्वी पर आ सकता है और इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलता है। ये क्या हो रहा है? मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। आई कुछ नो समझिंग, आई कुछ नो समझिंग।
How will you know? How will you know? You have never been sincere.
बेटा, जिसका लक्ष्य ईमानदार हो वो चंद्रमा से पृथ्वी पर आ सकता है और पृथ्वी से चंद्रमा पर आसानी से जा सकता है।
और जिसका मन शुद्ध हो और जिसकी आत्मा में कोई खोट न हो, वह ईश्वरीय शक्ति को पा लेता है और भविष्यवाणी करता है जो सच साबित हो जाते हैं।
बेटा, केवल यूनिफॉर्म मात्र पहन लेने से कोई विद्यार्थी नहीं बनता।
बेटा, यू हैव नेवर बीन सिंसियर।
अरे पापा, यू क्या बोले?
हाँ बेटा, मुझे अफसोस है, तू कभी ईमानदार रहा ही नहीं।
मम्मी, तुम भी मुझे बेईमान ठहरा रही हो?
Now everyone knows. Everyone knows how sincere you have been. I had no other option than to inform your parents.
Ma'am.
Sorry, child. Reveal yourself. Now, please don't hide from your parents. Show them.
Math 10 out of 100 and science 12 out of 100. You never said you received your report card?
Oh, that's why you look worried.
These are his answer scripts. And see this too. Caught with unfair means during exams. Just read his answers, read his language. There is no language. All broken English.
And you were asking me to take you to our place? We in Moon never encourage insincerity. Insincere people cannot live in Moon, and therefore we are highly advanced.
Okay, let me read his answer script. What is gravitation? Answer: gravitation is the water is the tap is the water of the land is the water with and the tap is the.
When you don't converse in English among yourselves, you will not be able to express yourself in the exams. I can foresee your future.
Wait and see this. In spite of our repeated warnings, he kept on bringing mobile every day to school.
सॉरी मम्मी, सॉरी मम्मी।
खामोश, खामोश। अच्छा, you are here, fraud man, selling English in ठेला, cheating people। चलो थाने में, इंग्लिश तुमको हम सिखाते हैं।
My dear student, yes, you were inquiring how I sell English on Thela. It's because I was like you. I was
bunking the classes. I was not paying attention in classes. I was bringing mobile to school. I was even using unfair means in exam. And you see the results today. रउआ लोगन देखी आज हम कहाँ बानी.
And look at his haircut. तुम जैसे विद्यार्थी अपने माँ बाप के खूनी हो. एक आतंकवादी किसी को एक बार कत्ल करता है, लेकिन आप जैसे विद्यार्थी अपने इन हरकतों से अपने माँ बाप का रोज कत्ल करते हो, सबके सामने इंसल्ट करते हो, demeaning them before others. Learn to respect them for their sacrifices. You have already decided your future. You are a dangerous virus to society.
Virus, virus, virus.
All call me two in one. क्या करें, जब पढ़ने का मौका था नहीं पढ़ा. अब तो बीवी बच्चों को तो पालना है. कभी ये नौकरी, कभी वो नौकरी. खूब मन लगाकर पढ़ना चाहिए था. अभी मैं पछता रहा हूँ.
Sorry mummy, sorry papa. I hereafter good boy. I study well. Mobile no taking school. Exam में no cheating. Sorry mummy, sorry papa.
To err is human and to forgive is divine. Realizing one's wrongdoing and being sorry for them and promising to change for better, a renewed future is always welcome. From today, he is no more a virus, but serious.
Happy ending, happy ending. Everybody's looking for a happy ending. Happy ending, happy ending. हर कहानी की हो happy ending.